Hi, today we'll learn how to download TikTok on Windows 11 easily. So, go to Microsoft Store, then search for TikTok. And on this blue button, click Get. It will take some time and will be downloaded and installed automatically in your system. And now it's been installed in my system, and now I can easily use it as I do on my phone. And now you can play with the options given, log in, and can also upload from the upload option. And this is how you can simply get TikTok on your Windows 11 or 10 PC and use easily. I hope you liked this video and subscribe to Joseph IT. Goodbye.